Alright guys, welcome to another episode. As you can see, scenery is a little different today. I'm going to be working on my 1995 Acura Integra. Had for a little over 3 years. Ended up buying it, converted it to right-hand drive, and it has the Integra Type R front end on it. So unfortunately I didn't actually film majority of the process it is to convert your vehicle to right-hand drive, but I did take a lot of pictures. Started taking pictures about halfway through the process, but I'll upload them here so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so the car has come a very long way, but there's still a long ways to go. On today's video, I'm going to focus on two rust spots in the rear quarter panels. We're going to see if we can get them sanded down, fill them in with some glass, some bondo, get it looking like it's from factory again. Okay, first step, grab some 80 grit sandpaper, sand it down to bare metal over all the rust. Alright, with the rust all sanded down, paint sanded down, we have bare metal showing all around this affected area. Next step, grab some fiberglass filler, that way get some strength back in that affected area. And some of this stuff is using body patch to fill in the open holes. Alright, so we're going to clean the area, and we just sand down with bare metal, some rubbing alcohol, get all the dust particles out of there, any other oils or anything out. Then we're going to take our mesh, line it up to this small little hole that we want to fill in. Take some scissors, cut it down to size. Alright, so with the glass filler all mixed up, go ahead, scoop it on here, lay it on nice and firm. Alright, now that we gave it some time to let it dry, we're going to continue sanding. Okay, so we got the glass all sanded down. Nice and smooth, everything's matching height-wise. Now it's time to apply the bondo. just got done laying down the bondo. I'm gonna give it some time, let it dry. Probably just call it a night here, clean up the garage a little bit. Next time I come out here, we're gonna try to focus in on this side. We're gonna see how easy or hard it is gonna be to patch up that hole. Hopefully that side isn't a lost cause and we don't have to cut the whole quarter or cut a hole in the quarter and weld in a new panel. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.